Hey y'all, I bought this okra plant yesterday at Walmart and I'm going to get this put in the ground, but when I came out to the garden to do that, I noticed that the cucumbers, they need to get picked. So before I get this in the ground, I'm going to go ahead and pick these cucumbers off of the vine. So here are the cucumber plants that are really starting to make it very close to the top of the trellis here. There's some pretty big ones here. I'm pretty certain these are the slicing cucumbers. I didn't have them labeled, so I have a mix of pickling cucumbers and slicing cucumbers. These are a little more curvy, so I believe these are the pickling cucumbers. So while I'm out here, I'll be giving these cucumber plants a picking and helping them up their trellises and stuff. And as for this little okra plant, I think this will do fine just over here. I really was not prepared to do a video today. That's why I have these weird camera angles going on, because I don't have my tripod out here. Okay, so here are two okra plants that we got in this little corner with this squash right here in this box. That right there is a potato. It's an accidental potato. It's actually some rose bush cuttings that I was trying to grow and propagate in a potato. I watched a video that they could grow roots but no, the potato or the roses didn't survive, but the potatoes grew. So I have these little potatoes that are kind of started here. I don't know. I was thinking maybe putting that there in that corner. I don't really know. I've never grown potatoes successfully. That's kind of what they're doing here, just sitting here for me to figure out what I'm doing. All right.